Welcome student to my YouTube channel Bharat Chem Study. Today in this video we are going to study about chapter 1 solid state part 7 for plus 2, and the topics for today video are calculation of packing efficiency in simple cubic, BCC and FCC unit cell. Now start what the packing efficiency is. The definition of packing efficiency is the percentage of total space occupied by the spheres or particle in a unit cell. यानी कि जब यूनिट सेल बन जाता है तो उसमें कितना स्पेस एटम्स ऑक्यूपाई कर चुके होते हैं, चाहे वो सिंपल क्यूबिक हो, चाहे बीसीसी हो, चाहे एफसीसी यूनिट सेल हो. तो फॉर्मूला पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी का बनता है द पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी ऑफ यूनिट सेल इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ एटम इन द यूनिट सेल मल्टीप्लाई बाय द वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन एटम विच विल बी अ स्फीयर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 एंड द होल डिवाइडेड बाय the volume of unit cell, which is a cube. So let's discuss the packing efficiency of different unit cells one by one. First of all, the packing efficiency in simple cubic unit cell. For that, let the edge length of the unit cell is A and the radius of sphere, that is atom, is R. Number of atom in simple cubic unit cell is equal to 1. That we have already calculated. We know that in the previous topics we have studied the number of atom in some simple unit cell is equal to 1. So no need to derive it again, we can directly write it. And for a simple unit cell, R is equal to A by 2. Why there is need to take R? Because in the formula of packing efficiency we have seen that we have to take the volume of atom, which is sphere, and the volume of atom is written as 4 by 3 pi r cube. So there R is used. But when we take the volume of unit cell, that is A cube, that come in terms of A. So to solve this formula, to find out a correct answer, we have to convert A into R or R into A. That's why we know that the relationship between R and A for simple unit cell. By using this relationship, we can convert the edge length into R, so that we will put this value in the volume of the unit cell, that is equal to edge length cube, and it changes in terms of R, and it will be easiest to do the calculations. So for simple unit cell, R is equal to A by 2. Now we are going to express A in terms of R. Therefore, we can say that A is equal to 2R. Put it equation number 2. Now volume of unit cell cube. We know that the volume of unit cell, or because it's a cube, so it's the A cube. And now we can express the A in terms of R by putting the value of A, that is 2R cube, and come equal to 8R cube. And volume of atom or sphere has the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi has the same value 3.1422 upon 7. Now put all these value in the formula of packing efficiency. So the packing efficiency of unit cell is equal to number of atom in the unit cell, that is equal to 1. Volume of one atom, we have known that 4 by 3 pi r cube into 100, and volume of the unit cell A cube, and we express A cube in terms of R is equal to 8R cube. Put these values, and on solving all the values by putting the value of pi 3.14 and solving it, the answer is come to be 52.4%. So we can conclude that the packing efficiency in simple unit cell is 52.4. Now packing efficiency in FCC unit cell. So let the edge length of unit cell is equal to A, radius of sphere atom is equal to R, and we know that number of atom in FCC unit cell is equal to 4. No need to drive it again. And the relationship between R and A for FCC unit cell is equal to R is equal to A by 2 under root 2. We express it in terms A in terms of R, then A is equal to 2 under root 2 R. Now volume of unit cell, that is cube, is equal to A cube. We put the value of A, that is equal to the cube of 2 under root 2 R is equal to 16 under root 2 R cube. And the volume of atom sphere is again 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now put all these value for the packing efficiency formula is equal to, now the number of atom is equal to 4, volume of atom is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube into 100 divided by volume of unit cell in case of FCC unit cell is come to be 16 under root 2 r cube, and on solving the value we can find out the approximate percentage is equal to 74%. So we can conclude that packing efficiency in FCC unit cell is equal to 74. Now come to the next topic, the packing efficiency in FCC unit cell. So let the edge length of the unit cell is equal to A, radius of atom or sphere is equal to r. Number of atom in BCC unit cell is equal to 2, that we have already calculated in previous topics, and no need to drive it again here. In some of the books they have also derived this formula, but no need for that. And again, for BCC unit cell, the relation between A and R, that is radius of atom and angular acceleration, is equal to R is equal to under root 3A by 4. So A is equal to 4R upon under root 3. The volume of unit cell of the cube is equal to A cube. We will put the value of A, it become 4R upon under root 3 cube and come to be equal to 64R cube divided by 3 under root 3. Volume of atom or sphere is equal to 4 pi 3 pi r cube. Now we are going to put all these value in the formula of packing efficiency. So packing efficiency of unit cell, in this case the unit cell is BCC. So packing efficiency BCC unit cell become equal to 2 multiply by 4 by 3 pi r cube into 100 divided by volume of unit cell, which is 64 r cube upon 3 under root 3. And on solving all these values by putting the value of pi 3.14 or 22 upon 7, percentage is come to be 68%. So we can conclude that packing efficiency in BCC unit cell is equal to 68%. Now the conclusion from all these derivations, that unit cell packing efficiency, that is the occupied space, and sometimes the examiner do the trick by not asking the packing efficiency, they will ask the unoccupied space. So the unoccupied space can be calculated by subtracting the packing efficiency from 100. So that's why I am concluding this topic also. So in simple unit cell, the packing efficiency is 52.4, that the occupied space is 52.4. So the unoccupied space will be 100 minus 52.4, that is 47.6%. In FCC unit cell, the occupied space is 74%. So the unoccupied space will be 100 minus 74 is equal to 26%. In BCC unit cell, its occupied space, that is packing efficiency, 68%. So the unoccupied space is equal to 100 minus 68 is equal to 32%. So we have to learn the packing efficiency also as well as the unoccupied space for the exam. So that's the important topic. So study well and practice the derivation and remember the values of packing efficiency and unoccupied space. In next video, we will study the derivation of formula for the calculation of density of unit cell and the numerical based upon it. So please like and subscribe the channel for the latest updates. Thank you.